Want realistic water with buoyancy and splash effects in Roblox? Let's add a water physics in under 90 seconds. First, add terrain water. Open Terrain Editor under the Home tab. Click Edit, then choose Add and select Water. Now click and drag to paint water into your game. You'll see it fill within animated ripples. Enable water physics. Make sure water interactions are turned on. Go to Workspace and then Terrain and check that water physics enabled. It's true. This allows parts and players to interact properly with water. Add float behavior to objects. To make objects float, insert a part, anchor it, set to false, and set custom physical properties. Adjust density, friction, and elasticity for realistic buoyancy, lower density floats, higher sinks. Enable player swimming. Players swim automatically when water is deep enough. Just make sure humanoid root part is fully submerged. To test it, hit play and walk into your water area. Optional, add effects and scripts. Add splash sounds or water fog using particle emitter and sound objects. For realism, detect water entry with this script. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.